for my county. It's for my fucking county.
Kentucky, North Central LaRue County in Central Kentucky, South Central County.
Oh my god, this one went off.
East Central Hardin County in Central Kentucky until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles northeast of Elizabethtown, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected.
No.
Expect damage
No, it
to
isn't.
roofs,
Okay, thank God.
siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bardstown, Lebanon Junction, Blue Gap, Samuels Field Airport, Scotiatown, Bellwood,
They're about to issue
Coltontown,
an SBA.
Withrow, Belltown, and Younger Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Here is the hazardous weather outlook. Issued at 9:59
Jesus.
Eastern Daylight Time or 8:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For portions of
Well, thanks, I guess. It's for LaRue. Let me get that up. Was not expecting that.
Hi, Tim Joe back to Toyota Louisville. Good selection of trucks, Tacomas, Thunders. Come down if you got a trade. Remember, we want your trade. We buy used cars every day. Toyota Louisville.
Why don't you look at that? There can be some rotation with that storm right there. I was not expecting storms to start up this early. Okay, well, there could be an SVA or a severe thunderstorm watch, which is SVA. What am I talking about? Just got woken up by that. But this is SBC LaRue or Midwest EAS, and I will be signing off.